Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Logics. Now you know I love talking about making money, saving money and building wealth. And today, we're diving headfirst into the future of finance. We're talking AI fintech startups that are absolutely crushing it with millions of users. These companies are not just some flash in the pan. They're using artificial intelligence to completely revolutionize how we invest, bank, and even think about money. Think about it. AI can analyze massive amounts of data in seconds, way faster than any human ever could. This means they can spot trends, assess risk, and personalize financial strategies at a scale we've never seen before. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, you need to know about these game changers. In this video, we'll break down the top AI fintech players, how they're using AI to disrupt the industry, and what it means for your wallet. Let's get right into it. First up, we've got Wealthfront, a name synonymous with robo-advising. These guys have been around since 2008, and let me tell you, they're not messing around. With over 440,000 users and a staggering $25 billion in assets under management, they're leading the charge in AI-powered investing. But here's the thing that makes Wealthfront so powerful. Their algorithms. These aren't just some basic lines of code. They're designed to create a personalized investment strategy for every single user. They take into account your risk tolerance, your financial goals, even your time horizon. Imagine this. You're just starting out. You want to invest, but you don't have a ton of time to research individual stocks. Wealthfront takes all the guesswork out of it. You answer a few questions, tell them what you're comfortable with, and boom, their AI builds you a diversified portfolio designed to help you reach your goals. And the best part, they do it all for a fraction of the cost of traditional financial advisors. No more hefty fees eating into your returns. Wealthfront is all about making investing accessible, affordable, and frankly, way less intimidating for the average person. But it's not just about setting it and forgetting it. Wealthfront's AI constantly monitors your portfolio, rebalances it when necessary, and even takes advantage of tax loss harvesting opportunities to minimize your tax burden. They're basically like having a personal financial advisor working for you 24/7, except this advisor is powered by some seriously smart algorithms. And with their track record and millions of users, it's clear that Wealthfront is onto something huge. They're proving that AI can make investing smarter, simpler, and more accessible for everyone. Next up, let's talk about a company that needs no introduction. Robinhood. Love it or hate it, there's no denying that Robinhood has completely changed the game when it comes to investing. With over 22 million users, they've made the stock market accessible to a whole new generation of investors. And how did they do it? By making trading commission free. That's right, no more paying those pesky fees every time you buy or sell a stock. But Robinhood's secret weapon goes beyond just zero commissions. They're leveraging AI in some seriously smart ways to make investing easier and more intuitive for everyone. One of the key areas where Robinhood shines is in providing real-time market data. Their AI algorithms analyze massive amounts of data from various sources to give you up-to-the-minute information on stock prices, market trends, and news that could impact your investments. This means you don't have to be glued to your screen all day, trying to make sense of complex charts and data. Robinhood does the heavy lifting for you, but it gets even better. Robinhood also uses AI to provide personalized investment recommendations. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hold on, Graham, you always say to do your own research. And you're absolutely right. But hear me out. Robinhood's recommendations aren't about telling you what to buy or sell. They're about giving you a starting point, helping you discover new investment opportunities that align with your interests and risk tolerance. Think of it like this. You're interested in investing in renewable energy, so you tell Robinhood. Their AI then analyzes your risk profile, market trends, and even your past trading behavior to suggest potential stocks or ETFs in that sector. They might even tell you about companies you've never even heard of before. Now let's shift gears from investing to banking, because the AI revolution is hitting that industry hard too. And when it comes to AI-powered banking, Revolute is a name you need to know. With over 25 million personal users worldwide, they're quickly becoming the go-to banking app for millennials and Gen Z. But what makes Revolute so special? Well, for starters, they're not your typical bank. They're a fintech company that's using technology to completely reimagine the banking experience. And at the heart of their innovation is, you guessed it, artificial intelligence. One of the ways Revolut uses AI is for fraud detection. They have these incredibly sophisticated algorithms that analyze your spending patterns, location, and even your typical transaction amounts to identify any suspicious activity. So if someone tries to use your card fraudulently, Revolut can spot it in real time and shut it down before any damage is done. But it's not just about security. Revolut also uses AI to help you manage your money better. They have this awesome feature called Analytics that breaks down your spending habits into categories, so you can see exactly where your money is going. They even use AI to provide personalized budgeting advice, helping you set realistic goals and track your progress. And if you ever have a question or need help with your account, Revolut's AI-powered customer support is there for you 24/7. Their chatbot can answer your questions, resolve issues, and even help you order a new card, all without ever having to talk to a human. Now, let's talk about a company that you might not have heard of, but you've definitely interacted with their technology countless times: Stripe. While not exclusively consumer-facing, Stripe is a powerhouse in the world of online payments. They process billions of dollars in transactions every year for millions of businesses worldwide. Think about the last time you bought something online. Chances are Stripe was working behind the scenes to make that transaction smooth and secure. But what you might not realize is that Stripe is also a leader in AI, using it to fight fraud and optimize payment processing. See, in the world of online payments, fraud is a constant battle, and that's where Stripe's AI really shines. They have these incredibly sophisticated algorithms that analyze every single transaction in real time, looking for any red flags that might indicate fraudulent activity. They look at things like the user's location, their IP address, their purchase history, and even the device they're using. And if something seems fishy, Stripe can flag the transaction for review, or even block it altogether. This helps protect businesses from losing money to fraudsters and ensures that your online purchases are safe and secure. But Stripe's AI isn't just about playing defense. They also use it to optimize payment routing, which basically means finding the fastest and most cost-effective way to process your transaction. They analyze factors like the user's bank, the currency being used, and even the time of day to determine the optimal route for each payment. Let's be real, we all love a good online shopping spree. But sometimes dropping a huge chunk of change all at once can be a real buzzkill. And that's where Klarna comes in. This Swedish fintech company is revolutionizing the way we shop online with their innovative buy now, pay later service. With over 150 million users globally, they're quickly becoming the go-to payment option for online shoppers everywhere. But what makes Klarna so special? Well, for starters, they're not your typical credit card company. They're all about giving you more flexibility and control over your finances. With Klarna, you can split your purchases into smaller, more manageable payments, interest-free. That's right. No more racking up huge credit card bills with sky-high interest rates. But here's where the AI magic really comes in. Klarna uses artificial intelligence to power its credit decisioning and risk assessment processes. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, AI deciding my credit worthiness? That sounds kinda scary. But trust me, it's actually a good thing. See, traditional credit scoring models can be pretty outdated and unfair. They often rely on factors that don't actually paint a complete picture of your financial situation. But Klarna's AI algorithms take a more holistic approach. They analyze a wider range of data points, including your transaction history, your payment behavior, and even your shopping preferences, to get a more accurate assessment of your credit worthiness. Finally, let's talk about a company that's tackling an industry that's long overdue for a shake-up: insurance. Lemonade is an AI-powered insurance company that's making waves with its innovative approach to coverage. With over 1 million customers and counting, they're proving that insurance doesn't have to be complicated, time-consuming, or expensive. So, what makes Lemonade so different? Well, for starters, they're built on a foundation of technology and artificial intelligence. From the moment you get a quote to the moment you file a claim, everything is handled online or through their user-friendly app. No more endless phone calls or mountains of paperwork. But the real star of the show is Lemonade's AI chatbot, affectionately named AI Jim. Now I know what you're thinking. A chatbot for insurance? That sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry. But trust me on this one. AI Jim is different. He's incredibly intuitive and easy to use, and he can handle pretty much everything you need when it comes to your insurance. Need to get a quote? AI Jim's got you covered. Want to update your policy? He can do that too. Need to file a claim? You guessed it. AI Jim's your guy. And here's where the AI magic really comes in. AI Jim can process claims in record time. Like, we're talking seconds here. How is that even possible? Well, Lemonade's AI algorithms analyze your claim data, cross-reference it with their massive database of information, and determine whether or not you're eligible for coverage, all in the blink of an eye. So there you have it, folks. 6 AI fintech startups that are already changing the financial landscape as we know it. These companies are using the power of artificial intelligence to make finance more accessible, affordable, and frankly, way less of a headache for millions of people around the world. But this is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative fintech startups popping up, each one pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of finance. And who knows, maybe one day soon, we'll all be managing our money with the help of our own personal AI financial advisors. That's all for today's AI Logics. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more videos on AI and the future of tech, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. And be sure to let me know in the comments which AI fintech tool you're most excited about, or if you're already using any of these platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.